One of the ways I use to inspire patients, would like to share with audiences, because it's all about, it's you having an impact, but also what kind of impact you have on patients. And we all know how it's so hard to get patients to stop smoking. 1 in 5 patients smoke, but we always find it a difficult subject to tiptoe across. I find it eating healthy because we all eat. And if we talk to patients about our own journey, and we tell patients that, I've lost 5 or 10 pounds lately, or I used to struggle with eating, but now that I have my bridge, or now that I have my implant, and by having more food in my chewing table, I'm better able to break food down, and it makes it easier on my stomach. Anytime I can involve the patient, anytime I can ask their opinion, and then listen, it's amazing how you can develop a better impact. And they really want to see you care. I think having an empathetic ear, having active listening, but I think ultimately being the best role model for health. It's one thing telling patients that they should do something, but if you yourself are on your own wellness journey and telling people I was here and now I'm here and I'm going to take you on that same journey with me, it's very much an inclusive phenomenon, and you'll be well on your way having a wellness-based practice where you look at the global perspective and not just the minutiae of the enamel or the cusps. It's really a bigger picture, and I think patients love a healthcare provider that sees all of them and not just the gingiva.